Hey guys! Hey gems! It's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello! I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I am hoping by the end of it, you'll decide to hit that subscribe button and stick around. Okay, so I have an unboxing for you guys, and it's heavenpanty. I really love heavenpanty. They have great customer service. You can get panties as low as $1.99 sent to your door, and then they give you add-on credits to use every month. So I get one panty. The panty, now they send this to me though in PR. I have to be completely transparent with you on that. But you can get a panty for $1.99 and then you end up with $10 to $13 in credits that you can go spend out in their store and get whatever you want. And I love that. And the quality is pretty amazing. I've had them for, I think it's been like 3 years now. My gosh. And none of these underwears have ever shrank. The only thing that is cotton in them is the lining, but anyhow, I haven't even showed you what they are yet. But yeah, so, okay, let's get into it. So I have a double unboxing. Somehow I missed last month. And these are what they looked like. Now, these are a size small. Look at the back. There's a style quiz that you can fill out. The style quiz is based upon your answers. You can get whatever type of panty you want. If you want a thong, if you want sexy, if you want brief, anything like that. So that's how that works. And the other thing I wanted to mention was the seams. I've never had anything happen to these underwear, and I wear them all the time. I have a huge collection of them. I've gotten Victoria's Secret underwear and other underwear. They just didn't hold up. So that is pretty much everything I know about heavenpanty. Now we're going to show you the second pair. I got these. I think they're really cute. Okay. Here they are here. That is the front. Here is the back. Again, super cute and super soft. They never have that hard, scratchy lace, which is the reason why I'm pretty much sold on this company. I absolutely love them. I am going to do a haul with them soon and use my add-on credits. I cannot wait to do that. I've just been letting them build up, and there's like over $100 now, so it's pretty crazy. But yeah, so these are the two panties that I have. What do you guys think? They're equally cute. And I definitely will do a try on and include it in this video as long as it's not too revealing. And if you have any questions for me or heavenpanty, I'll put their information and my information in the description box. And now, if you have any questions, it's time to ask. Put your questions down in the comment section. I look forward to reading them and responding. And thank you for taking the time to watch this unboxing. If you enjoy unboxings and all things beauty, would you hit that subscribe button? And I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.